Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a quick reminder to please like, subscribe, and share this channel with someone else you think would enjoy it. That all really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 70. If we start with this column, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 3 and 7 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this bottom row, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 here and a 7 here, so this is our 8. I don't see any other help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this top row, looks like we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 5, 6 here, so 4, 5. That means our 6 has to be here. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 2 and 7 here, so this is our 9. 2 here, so 7, 2. If we look at this row, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 9. We've got 4, 5, and 9 in this box, so this is our 3. 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 has to be here. 5 here, so 4, 5. For this box now, we're missing a 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 2. 1 here, so 7, 1. For this row, we're missing 3 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 9 here, so 5, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 7. 7 here, 2 here. That makes this our 3. That 3 makes this our 7 and 2. For this row now, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. I don't see any help here. 3, 4, 5. 3 here, so 4, 5. 4 here, so 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. That 5 makes this our 4, 5. That 5 also makes this our 4. We can get rid of this 4. For this box now, we're only missing a 1. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 7, and I don't see any help. So 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so that makes this our 5. 1 here, so 7, 1. That 5 makes this our 3, 5. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. That 7 makes this our 3, 7. Can get rid of the 7 and the 7. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. That 8 makes this our 3, 8. That 3 makes this our 4, 3. That 4 makes this our 7 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.